Before in our country and make a big Macedon. And you forgot a lot of Macedonian, but in the meantime, we are thank you for coming. And I don't know whether you know that fact, then you are the third state secretary of Madam Albright in 1999, the people of Kosovo crisis. I mean, and the people volunteered in terms of political and security crisis. And now,
very different.
and waiting for the good news of our Euro-Atlantic friends.
Thank you, President.